Ha? Dito? Someone setting this way. What am I supposed to do? Hello sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman na kung saan tayo maglalaro isang game na pinangagatang Homie Cypher. At ito ay panibagong horror game. At actually nalaman ko lang to kay Ate Alice mismo. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya ay mag-subscribe na kayo. At talaga kinakadikan to nila Tita Rain, ni Lawrence, at hindi, kinakadikan to nila Ate Alice at Tita Rain mismo. Ewan ko, may pinagagawa sila dito na si Mr. Crawling ata yun or something. Pero di pa ako spoiled daw, okay ano dyan. Kasi muna agad natin itong video na to. Let's go na. What? Huh? Hey! What was that? Where am I? I don't have my bug. What should I do? I need to find a way out. Hi, Mr. Hood. Hi. I don't know if I can type, pero sige. Hindi naman yata nakakapag-type eh. Sige. What language is this? Sana hindi ko naman alam.
Tangina mo, kaya masamang tao ka.
I can't understand what you're saying. Wala ako na-get. Is he saying me and you? Me. You. Are you telling me and you are gonna die? Or whatsoever? He is asking me a question. I'm just an ordinary human. Wow! Cute girl, ang hangin mo naman! Sige. Smile. Wala talaga ako maintindihan. I wonder if I got it right. Seriously, is this language all about listing out the words? It seems like there's some sort of order to it, but it seems like they don't just any particles. They're missing out all of the substance nonsense speech. This language is pretty rough and basic if you ask me. It's not just unknown language. What is this place? So what am I supposed to? I think we should click this one first. Okay, I don't know what to do. Sige. Open. Bye-bye! I'm just gonna go. Shut up. Shut up, Mr. Hood. Now, what am I supposed to do then? Maybe I can get through if I move this. Go? Aray. Aray. Sige, aray ha. Aray. Go. Han. Hi. It's alive. Hey, it's alive. What is that? It's pointing to something though. True. What is it? Ay. Mabait ba? Mabait? Mabait ka ba? Wala akong intindihan. This is like he is sad. I wonder if he's in trouble. Does this word mean want to? Want to ano? Lumapit? Right? It's close. Oh, want you to do? You want me to bring you with me? I don't trust that. I don't trust that. Hindi talaga. Pero sige. Don't? Okay, sure. Sige, we'll go there. Hey, it's weird, but I've already picked him up. No, please. Please, no. Don't scare me, please. Wala ba?
Ang ina mo!
Uy! Putang ina mo! Ayan o, si Mr. Chef oh. Oh. Wow! Wala ko intindihan. Hotdog. Mag-usap lang kayo dyan. Hand him over, ganon? Bibigay ko. Are they talking about me? Backstabber kayo Oh. I'm gonna go na. Can I? Thank you. Gonna go na po. Bye-bye. Bye. This is kind of freaking weird. Why? Private place? Private place? Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna leave. Very quickly, I head back up. Probably, pero sana nga makakit ka pa ng buhay, tol. Sana. Yun din hinihiling ko. Sana. Teka, kung sarado bumukas to, then should we go here? It's clear now. There's nowhere else to go. I guess I'll go only this way. Okay, sure. Sure thing. Sige, sure. It feels like the word in this language are quite broad in its meaning. They just lump everything with similar concepts and meaning. We'll go right, because right is always right. It will never be left, okay? A dead end? Di babalik. Diba? Babalik tayo. Something's coming this way. I better. There's a crowbar here. Get. Then a crowbar. If I turn back now, I'll come face with it. So, I can't turn back. Pero, I think, yun na lang yung sinasabi sa akin eh. May control pala? Ay, wala. Hindi siya gumagana. Hindi gumagana yung control. Hi. Let's hide. Should we do it? Ay, gago ka! Gago ka! Tangina mo. Ay, namitas ka sa crawling? Ito yung pinagkakaguluhan nila Ate Alice eh. Okay, sure. Ewan ko, ba't ako natatakot? Gali she's gone. Ala, sorry. Sorry po. Okay, sure. Ay, sorry na! Sorry na! Excuse me, are you alright? You good? You good? You good? If there's no problem, then I guess that's good. Mukhang wala mo. Mr. Crowley, I'm gonna freaking go. Ayoko na, punyeta naman eh. Let's just head straight, ha? There's a sun right behind me. What can I do for you? Wala ko na gets. Is he just going to follow me around? Bahala ka! Maluga ka. Sige, I'm just gonna go. Okay. Seems like we're good to go. Binabalaan niya ba ako? Okay, we're open it. Okay, what happened to the floor? Was he trying to warn me? So we'll go this way then. Yeah. Dito? Someone's heading this way. What am I supposed to do? Uy! Putangina mo! Huwag ka manggugulat!
Tangina mo, kaya masamang tao ka.
Mr. Scarletella? Well, I'm having a bad feeling about this. Pero sige. What? Scarlet and Okay, sige. I guess I'll just save this muna for now, yeah. We'll just save this muna. Yeah, dito tayo. Okay, over save file. There you go. Ayan, so... Hopefully naman nag-enjoy pa rin kayo din mga kalod. So, syempre, nag-enjoy naman ako doon. Hopefully kayo din. At syempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan i-follow ang ating mga social media sa baba. Diyan ang aking Facebook, diyan ang aking Instagram, diyan ang aking TikTok. At syempre, ang ating YouTube channel na rin. At syempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, comment, share, subscribe. At syempre, share nyo to sa mga kaibigan, sa mga nanay, tatay, at ate, kuya, tatay, lolo, lola, kaibigan, kaaway, backstabber, manloloko, cheater, loyal, lahat-lahatin nyo na. Okay? Ay, pasikat nyo na to sa buong school nyo, ganon. Like, i-flex nyo na tong video na to dahil nagtitrending to ngayon. Magtitrending pa lang pala. So, yan, no? Simulan, what? So, yan, no? Maraming salamat sa part ng video na to. Alright tayo dyan. Alisin mo, bufa. Ayan, boys.